What's up, boys?
Yeah.
You guys ready?
You just hit the car.
No, it's in your
That was
hand.
fucking on you.
It was just a nick.
We got a body guy.
You guys excited?
A little bit.
A little bit? All right, cool. What is up, guys? How you doing? So today is a huge day, as I usually say. Why B-Haul?
Why? Because Jimmy got some packages from a very special set of people.
So you guys know the LSZ is probably the most beloved car on the channel. I would say so, right?
Definitely.
It's a crowd favorite.
It's a crowd favorite. So a couple of weeks ago, decided to hit up a pretty badass company, talk about, you know, maybe doing a few things on it, doing some upgrades, because as you guys know, it's been an LS1 for a long time. It's been basically stock, which Derek has been really disappointed about this whole time.
Not cool.
Not cool, right?
Not cool at all.
So if you don't know, Derek is the LS guy right here.
I am the LS guy. Resident
LS guy, and he suggested going with the best, and that is Texas Speed. And I was talking to them for a while, and we decided on a pretty cool package for the Z to really squeeze some good horse puppies out of it. So what we did is we sent out my stock heads, and then they put bigger valves in them.
Mm-hmm.
They give a little port to them,
Yep.
and they gave me a cam,
Yep.
all the supporting mods,
Right.
and all the gaskets to go with it.
All the things.
All the things.
Yep.
So with all three of these boxes and a little bit of elbow grease, my LS1 should make over 400 horsepower,
Yep.
which is
A big upgrade.
a big upgrade.
From what we were at before.
So haven't opened the box yet. Dying to see them, so let's just get into them and check them out. Oh, look at this piece of art, dude. Oh, I know you're jealous.
Now, I was just saying that I found 2 cracked cylinder heads on my green car yesterday, so...
Get in line, boy. Dude, these are beautiful. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Nice work. All right, so I think this is the box of supporting mods here. What we got? Large, B, XL, Derek,
Word.
XL for your boy. Thanks, guys.
Nice, the names.
It's got to go on the Z keychain.
For sure.
For sure, obviously.
Get that bump stick out here.
Okay.
The freedom stick, as we call it.
You gotta see this one.
Oh, there's something really cool about this cam.
That's what I was saying.
Oh, I can't wait. I forgot about
know.
this.
This is really cool. Let me check it out. How cool is that?
That's sick.
How sick is that, right?
That is
That looks
sick.
even cooler in person.
Let me see it with my eyes and not the camera.
That's amazing, right? No. Well, this is gonna end up in many LSs from now.
Why? Are they making it a line? An available
No, I'm
option?
just saying, like, imagine, like beyond the life of the LSZ, this will probably go into another LS, and you'll find
Yeah,
out.
some kid like 40 years from now is gonna pull that thing apart and be like, "Yo, who the fuck is Jimmy Oaks?"
40 years from now, somebody's going to pull that Z out of a barn and it's only going to have 4 more miles than it does right now.
I think you're ready to party. The motor's already basically apart. What we have to do now is we have to pull the oil pump. And Derek's running away from me.
I am sorry.
So we're apart right now. We got the heads off, obviously. I still have to pull the trays and the lifters out. We have to pull the oil pump, timing chain, cam gear. We pull the old cam out and then put it all back together. So the big challenge, which I should have addressed earlier this week, is we got to remove the oil pump, which means we have to remove the oil pickup, which I don't know how I'm going to do without dropping the pan, but we're going to try it because dropping the pan in this setup, it's not easy.
No, we do not have much room.
So right here is the oil pickup tube right here. And this is the oil pump, right? The bolt is under here and you have less than a finger width. So we can get the bolt out, I'm not worried about that. Get it back in is the issue.
Magic fingers.
You down to try?
Yeah, dude.
Let's get it.
Yeah, this is gonna be no easy feat. That's for sure.
Oh, that angle is not going to do us well.
No, it's not nice. We might have to bend this wrench.
I'm willing to sacrifice it.
Yeah, no.
Brian's spinning it with the magnet.
Let me see if this thing
Nice work.
fit right on.
No one move. Nice work, guy.
I think we can do this.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, it's coming.
Good technique. Once again, this is gonna be a lot easier coming out than going in. Now I can pull off the cam gear, then the chain, and then pull the cam out, right?
That's right.
That's the way it goes. Dude, this is kind of loose.
Yeah, I saw that before. And that's also what she said.
Well, damn.
Alright, here's a pro tip. You ready? Get
Yeah.
that pile of shit out of there, throw it right in the trash. Pro tip number 2, take some water pump bolts, 2 of those water pump bolts, thread them into the end of the camshaft so you have a nice long handle.
Water pump bolts right here, right?
Yep.
And thread them into.
Right here.
Oh, how'd you know that's the right thread pattern?
Because I've done this.
Okay, now what?
Now stick your dumb little arm through here.
Do I have to pull this
Take
plate
this
off
off?
first before I put those
Oh
bolts
yeah,
in?
the cam retaining plate. That's my bad. That is my bad, boys.
This is the worst DIY I've ever seen.
This thing has a built-in O-ring, non-serviceable, and trash.
Nice.
Put that in the old trash pile with this thing. Get out of here! Here's the motion that you have to do. I'm gonna try to hold the camera
Okay.
and do this.
Hold on,
Right?
well, ready? Show us the motion.
You're gonna spin and grasp. You're gonna support and spin, and try not to murder your cam bearings.
Pull.
Oh Jesus! That's what I was talking about.
Oh no.
Spin. Yup, now pull and spin, yup.
This is really heavy too.
It's a solid piece of freedom. Of course it's gonna be heavy. Every time you hear metal hitting, it's just a year off every cam bearing. Don't worry though, LSs are super prone to spinning cam bearings.
What?
That is true actually. Ooh. Mm-hmm. That is bald eagles.
Just a few. Can't wait to add some more. The little cam retention plate right here, it actually has a gasket built in, and you can't just replace the gasket, it's the whole entire piece, and unfortunately it did not come with the kit. That's my bad, I didn't check up on it, and it's really late, no one has it, and we can't get it. Fortunately for me, Derek just blew his engine up like 3 days ago, and it, it was in his car for like maybe a couple months, and his is still good. So he's giving me his to put on my engine so we can get together, and I already bought him the new one. It should be here in like 2 days. Thank you, Derek. It's bump stick time.
Freedom time.
So this is all the info on the camera right here if you guys want to know, for you fellow LS guys. What do you think? What does this tell you?
It's rowdy for a stock motor, for a stock bottom end. It's got a tight lobe separation. It's going to be real choppy.
Right down the middle. There we go. Get my greasy little fingers on here.
I don't know. Looks kind of cool.
You get a rug burn working the shaft like that. What do you call that? An Indian burn?
Make sure you hit as many things as you can in the engine bay before you put the cam inside the engine so you can get it real dirty.
Well, Jimmy, just stand back and use your foot. Kick it in.
Yeah, you can do that too.
That's usually my go-to. I'm doing better going in, honestly.
That's what she said.
Oh, there.
Twice.
I know, you keep on coming.
That's what she said.
I'm a pro at this now.
Look at those hands.
If there's one thing Jimmy can do well, it is grab a shaft. You might need to finger blast it from the back to get the last. Oh, you got it.
I'm sorry you had to blow up your motor, but thank you.
It's no problem. I blew it up for you.
Oh man, thanks. I'm not gonna blow this one up for you. Sorry.
I mean, technically, I didn't blow it up. All right, let's just get something clear. I didn't blow it up. I make a lot of horsepower on a stock crankshaft. They don't like it. It's the third one that I've broken. It's not like...
Whoa. Maybe you should just hit up text speed.
Maybe I should. Maybe I should have when I built this motor. So,
Rookie move, Derek.
it was a rookie move.
So at this point, it's when we throw the new timing chain on. We got the like updated LS2 timing chain. As you can tell, there's a lot of slack in my old one. And there's a dot on the bottom of the cam gear and a dot on the top of the crank gear. Put them straight up, put the chain on it, and it sits just like that.
Dot to dot.
Connect the dots, baby. You see them?
Oh, I see you. It's a line. It's like riding a bike. Right?
How?
And there we go. And one more. Yep. I'm dreading the next part.
What's
Bad.
the next part?
The oil pump.
All right, I was really nervous about this part, and I did what I usually do when I get really nervous. I don't think something's gonna work. I just kind of get in the zone, put the camera down, and focus. But as you guys know, we were really worried about the oil pickup nut going into the oil pump, and 10 minutes later, I got it.
Oh.
It's still loose, but I got it in there. So I literally used this magnet and this flathead and made it work. So, guys, it's possible. Hell yeah. You know, dude, if I had to drop my oil pan, this would have been a whole different job. So, now I just gotta snug this up, put this on, put the whole cover back on, and then we can put the heads on, which is sick. I'm so happy right now, you have no idea. Oil pump to block.
Oh.
Yeah, these don't take much at all.
Yeah, it's like nothing.
So I just gave my front cover a quick like little soda blast in the parking lot. Put a new front main seal in, because you should always do your front main seal when it's out. And we could just put this against the engine once I get the gasket. All right, so this sandwich is right here. You torque those bolts.
Listen,
That's
you know,
right.
I spent like $550 on this torque wrench a long time ago. Never used the damn thing, so.
Really?
Yeah.
I definitely have more hours on that than you do.
Yeah, no. Well, I used to do a shit ton of wheel bearings with it.
You torque
Shit.
wheel bearings?
Axle nuts. Yeah, that's,
Really?
I thought you just jump on them.
that's the only thing.
Yeah, you hit them with some chuggas.
No, I don't know.
And walk
Listen,
away.
That's it.
Some guys are weird. They freak out.
Ooh, that
I
looks
say-
good, dude. It's looking official.
It's looking official.
With the front cover on, it's cammed up,
It's cammed up.
Hell yeah.
as they say in the industry.
Yee, brother.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
You know?
Yeah, I felt that. Where did I put the lifters? Okay, cool. So now we get to throw the lifters in, and these also came from Texas Speed, of course. Upgrading these since we're upgrading the cam and everything else. Why not get the freshies? So we have some LS1 style lifters.
Open them up.
Oh, dude, they're pretty. You ready for them? Oof, almost pretty as B-Hall.
Almost.
Not bad, right? Looks like a little rack of ribs, doesn't it?
Hell yeah. Let me look at.
So we're just gonna drop these. So these things look all lubed up. We're just gonna drop them in.
They're extra lube now, actually.
Yeah, you just slobbered all over them. So hungry now that I just saw you do that.
Once again, this is where gloves should be worn.
Hell yeah, that stuff.
Nobody got time for that. Oh, that's so satisfying.
It is.
Bro, you want to double team this one? Grab the other bag.
Yeah.
These things are really nice. The old girl's getting some loving tonight. You feel me?
Yeah, buddy. Jesus, Brian, take it easy.
I'm pretty easy.
All right, so we just doing the new lifter trays right there. Look pretty good. I guess these are like the updated style. The updated blocks actually had like a indent here for these, but this one doesn't have it. But it's cool. So let's bolt those down and then throw the heads on, right?
That's right.
So we got the whole front cover on. Everything's all set. Now all I have to do is throw on the crank pulley, and that's good for the front. All set.
All set.
All set. We're cammed up, ready to go. So I got the dowels in the head. Heads are all cleaned off, and now it's officially time to put the head gaskets and then the heads in, and then everything else on top of that.
Correct.
So I'm really happy with the progress we had on tonight. We could definitely finish this up in one day, but we kind of started at like 9:30. We started a little too late. Right. But whatever. I'm happy with the progress. Really, I thought that oil pump was gonna fight us way more. I know I kind of skipped over it in the filming, but I was expecting that to be like a whole night thing, but it happened quickly. really happy. So there you guys go. You can't do it without dropping the oil pan. You just gotta be really, 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 really careful. So with that, I think we're gonna end it for tonight. We'll get the heads on everything else tomorrow. I'm really excited to get a nice early start and go from there. So huge shout out to Texas Speed for hooking us up, pointing us in the right direction, and getting us all set up. I am so beyond excited for this and beyond impressed with the quality of all the parts. And what do you guys think?
I'm excited for the dyno, and I'm excited for the test drive.
Sure.
I'm also excited for both of those things.
I can't imagine that. I can't picture that noise coming from this.
I know,
what I mean?
and this car's always been pretty tame sounding because you have like a full exhaust on it, and it sounds really good. But now
It's gonna chop.
I know. I want to hear the chop with this exhaust. It's gonna sound good.
You know what I'm really excited about? Talking Jimmy into putting a bunch of nitrous on this.
I think it's. I
in
mean,
the
the motor
cards.
will hold up.
I'll have to talk to the Texas Speed guys.
It's in the cards for sure.
You guys know what's going on.
We'll see. So, whatever. I don't know. If you guys want to check out their website, I put the link in the description. Of course, Texas Speed, if you guys already know what it is, for all your LS needs, and obviously they probably do more than that, but check it out. With that, we're going to end it, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And guys,
Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night. Peace.